How to replace engine air filter on BMW X3 F25, X5 F15, E70 2.0 diesel 163 HP, 2014 to 2017, in 4 easy steps. 1. Lift the hood and remove the engine cover. There is no need to remove the air filter housing from the car. The filter can also be changed with it mounted on the car. We removed it to better film its removal. 2. Remove the air filter by pressing inwards on the 2 clips. Here we have a new air filter from BMW. You can find engine air filter below in the video description. Three. Remove the old air filter and replace it with a new one. This air filter also fits BMW X6 F16, F86, BMW X5 E70, BMW X5 F15. 4. Put the cover back on the engine and close the hood. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.